Getting to the top of Google rankings takes work. But you don't have to break the bank buying backlinks. In this video I'll show how I ranked number 1 and drove traffic without spending a dime on links. After implementing my free backlink strategies, my site traffic increased over 100% in just 2 months. I went from nowhere to ranking number 1 for competitive terms. It all started with in-depth keyword research to identify high-value targets ranking on page 1 of Google that I could outrank. Next I used SEMrush to analyze the backlinks of those ranking sites. This showed me anchor text, opportunity sites, and link building strategies. I crafted natural-sounding outreach emails and pitches to earn links from similar sites. Personalization is key for good response rates. Creating awesome link-worthy content like infographics, tools and resources related to my keywords gave sites a reason to link to me. Engaging with influencers on Twitter and LinkedIn provided another source of links and exposure for my brand. Guest posting on authority sites in my niche provided great link opportunities. Make sure to provide value to your host site. I even reclaimed broken links mentioning my brand by redirecting them to relevant pages on my site. Amplifying my content across social media, Q+ sites and press releases expanded my link building efforts. I used Google Search Console and Ahrefs to track and analyze all my links to identify bad links and link growth opportunities. My free link building strategy was a marathon, not a sprint. But over time, the high-value links added up and boosted our domain authority. Within 6 months I took the top spot for my target keyword, driving significant organic traffic to my site from Google. Now that I had rankings, I leveraged that authority to build even more links and expand keywords. It just keeps growing over time. With hard work and persistence, you can rank number 1 in Google without paid links. Subscribe now to see more of my proven SEO and traffic strategies.